In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write effective product descriptions on Shopify that help attract customers and increase sales. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on Products from the left-hand menu. Select the product you want to edit. In the description box, write a clear and engaging description that explains what the product is, who it's for, and how it benefits the customer. Focus on the value your product provides rather than simply listing features. Use short paragraphs and easy to read language. Highlight important details such as size, material, features, and unique selling points. Make it easy for customers to quickly understand why they should buy your product. You can also include customer benefits, usage ideas, and answers to common questions to help improve conversions. Once you're happy with your description, click Save to update your product page. That's it. A well-written product description can help build trust, improve customer experience, and increase sales on your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.